This is the fifth lecture for physics class 12th standard. In this lecture, we will study about conductor, insulator, and electrostatic induction. Now, first, conductor. You all are knowing that conductor means what? That conduct electricity. And the terms of electrostatic, all those substances through which electric charge can flow. Easily. Example here, all metals, human body, animal body, and graphite, etc. Graphite, that is the allotrope of carbon, and this is the good conductor of electricity. And then after conductor, the next one is insulator. Just opposite of conductor. Here, through which electric charge can flow easily, but all those substances through which electric charge cannot flow easily. Cannot flow easily. An example of this, all non-metals, mostly all non-metals, as like glass, and diamond, plastic, etc. Except definition and example, there are two important concepts about conductor and insulator. Number one concept, just listen. When a person hold iron rod and rubbed with woolen cloth, then there is no charge developed on iron rod. What is the reason behind this? Just listen again. When a person hold iron rod and rubbed with a woolen cloth, then no charge developed on iron rod. The reason behind this, the charge developed on iron rod just passes through your human body, because human body means what? That is good conductor, and neutralizes to earth. That's why no charge developed in case of iron rod whenever rubbed with woolen cloth. The second one, example or concept about conductor and insulator. When we transfer charge to the conducting body, then the total charge developed on its outer surface, and when we transfer charge on a plastic body, then the charge will stay at the same position. Then after conductor and insulator, the next very important topic, that is electrostatic induction. Just see what is the concept of electrostatic induction. In electrostatic induction, first of all, very important concept, that is based on diagram. This is conducting rod, and here a glass rod, and you all are knowing from earlier concept, whenever glass rod rubbed with silk cloth, then it obtains what? Positive charge. And when this glass rod having positive charge bring to a cylindrical conducting rod, this is conducting rod, then electron density maximum towards one end, and here positive charge density maximum towards another end, that is excess of electrons, and here deficiency electrons. This is the positive glass rod. Whenever bring towards a conducting rod, then one end becomes what? Negatively charged, and other end that is lie further away, that becomes the same charge as that of glass rod containing. So with the help of this diagram we can define about electrostatic induction. Electrostatic induction means the phenomenon of electrifying the conducting rod when a charged body bring closer to one end. In this case, the end that is closer to the positively glass charge, then appears opposite charges. Here positive, then here opposite means what? Negative charge, and the same charge appears on the further side. In the same way, we perform another experiment. It means a plastic rod that is what? Negatively charged. Whenever bring closer to a conducting sphere, then here positive charge developed and here negative charge developed, and when this electrifying conducting rod or conducting sphere whenever brings contact with earth, then the negative charge on this sphere transfer towards earth. It means the negative charge on the other side becomes disappear, or you say that neutralize towards earth. Then after removing this glass rod and make off the connection of this earth connectivity, then this conducting sphere remains of only positive charge. This is an important discussion about electrostatic induction. Suppose a conductor is given and you have to ask then how the conductor makes the positively charge without a direct contact. By this electrostatic induction method, you can make the charge conductor a conducting charge having positively charge. Electrostatic induction means always remember one thing: whenever positive charge bring closer to one end, then here develop negative, and just away from the charge conductor, charge rod here, opposite charge nearer and same charge away developed here. and here positive charge, and same charge here positive, and here just closure, that is negatively charged. So just before this, conductor and insulator, and this one, these topics are very important topic for examination point of view. That's all for today.